Okay, so today we are going to, once again, I want to say you're all warmly welcome. And today we are going to be looking at how to edit our video footage using Capcut. We are going to still be looking at the Capcut interface, and some of the things that we are going to look at today is how we can cut videos, how we can group elements, how we can import media into the Capcut PC, how we can insert into the editing timeline. So what I'm going to do now is I already have Capcut on my desktop installed, so I'm going to double click on it so that I'm going to bring out the Capcut interface. So this is the Capcut interface, and then you will notice that I already have some projects here that I have created before this time. So the projects are, as soon as you are done editing any video or creating a project, Capcut will automatically save the video for you. They will automatically save the video for you unless you choose to delete it. Unless you choose to delete it. So if you want to delete any video, you will see 3 icons on a particular project that you have. So if you click there, you are going to see rename. So if I want to rename this particular project, I'm going to click on this rename. If I want to duplicate it, if I want to delete it, I'll just delete it and it's going to go to trash. So that is essentially how to go about it. So I can rename this to, I can just say adverts. So I have renamed it just like that. It's as simple as that. I've renamed that particular project. So now we want to create a new project. We want to create a new project. So to create a new project, you just come to, either you click on the plus icon or you just click here. So when you click there, it will bring you to, you need to it will bring you to it's going to bring you to the Capcut interface. I want to mute everybody because it appears that someone is unmuted and the person is disturbing my class. So whoever you are, mute yourself. So let's proceed. So now this is the Capcut interface. So now what we want to do is to import our media, and our media, it will be either video, audios, or images. Either video, audios, or images. So you can import from here. So if you click on the plus sign, it will take you to the location where you have your file. Okay, so I have the file I want to import is actually my download. So I'm going to click on this particular one. I select, so I have this one. Then I also want to import another image. I want to import another image, so I'm going to click on this, and then I go to downloads. That's where I have my images. So I'll just scroll down to the particular image I want. So let me just choose this 8. Okay, so I have that. So now let us insert the media or the file to our timeline. To do that, there are two ways that you can go about it. So it's either you drag it and then you drop it here. I hope you are with me, because I am going to be slow. Okay, so this is the video. You just drag it and then you drop it on your timeline. You drag and you drop it on your timeline. The second way you can insert videos on your timeline is to click on this plus icon. So if I click on the plus icon, you will notice that the image has come here. So I'm just trying to enlarge it by dragging it. I'll just put my mouse there and then I drag. Okay, but this time around I want to take it to this other side, so I just move it here. Awesome. So it's as simple as that. So it's either you drag and then you drop it on your timeline, or you click on the plus icon. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to learn how we can cut videos. We want to learn how we can cut videos. So to cut our media, either video or images or whatever, be it audio, video or pictures, you just move this, just place it anywhere in that video. So when you place it in that video, you can press Ctrl B. Let me undo, because the video was not selected. So you are going to first of all select the video. So if you observe these white borders on that particular media, you know that you have selected that particular media. So I will select it and then you can say Ctrl D or Command D if you are using a Mac system. Okay, so that is one way of cutting. That is one way of cutting. So if I use undo, I have it back. So that is how to cut. Then another way you can cut is you come here, you're going to see splits. You're going to see splits. So if I click on the splits, I have cut it, so I can move it to anywhere I want. I hope you are all following. So if you are following, just drop 11 in the comment section. Let me know that you are following. So that is one way to cut. The second way to cut. The first way, so if I undo, so it goes back to normal the way it was before. So the first way is to select that particular video, Ctrl B. I cut it. Then the second way is actually to use one of these icons. So now I want to cut this image. I'll select the image and then I can come here and I split. So take this one, make sure that this is actually on top of that particular image. So if I click on split, you will see that I have actually cut the image, and then you can do whatever you want to do. So if I want to delete this particular one that I've cut out, I just select it and I come to delete and I delete it. It is gone. If you want to bring it back, just press Ctrl Z, or undo, you bring it back. So I want to delete it, it's gone. So now I want to merge or group. So let me click on this, and then let me take this one on top. Take this one on top. So here I can, so you click on the image, then here I can scale. You can scale the image. You can see that this particular image is on top of this video. So I can scale. Let's say I want to put it somewhere there. This is how to reduce it. So you use your scale. So now I want to actually group both this image and this video together. I want to group them together. So how do I go about it? What I need to do is I'm going to right click. So first and foremost, you click on this, click on both of them, and then right click. Okay, click both, then you right click. Then you're going to see group. So this is where you group. You just group. So now you have grouped both this video and the image. So you can take them wherever you want. So you can see that they are grouped together. So one of the shortcuts you can use to group is actually Ctrl-Shift-D. Ctrl-Shift-D to group your images. Okay? So if what I've just explained made sense.
Control what? Sorry.
Ctrl-Shift-G. Ctrl-Shift-G. And if you are using a Mac, Command-Shift-G. Command-Shift. So that's how to actually go about it. That's how to go about it. So I believe that what I just explained made a lot of sense to us, and it is clear. If it is clear, kindly drop clear in the comment section. Drop clear. And if it is not clear, you can as well say it is not clear. I am willing to recap. I am willing to go over it again. Is it clear to us? It is clear. Awesome. So is it clear to everybody? Now what I've just done, you can still do it using your smartphone, your tablet, your mobile device. You can do the same thing. So all you need to do is to go and practice what I've just explained to you. Do the same thing. Just do exactly what you learned in tonight's class. So